Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a football poster using Canva. So these are the four kind of pictures you need: one headshot, one football stadium, and two of the poses. Get your headshot in the second page, like on the second page, and then go to elements and add just like a white element here. Just type in white. We're just going to adjust that a little bit. Go to apps and find cutout and use this one. Go to the cutout type, select image, and then select this one. Use selected image, and here I'm just going to adjust it again here so it's kind of in the middle. Add another page and then press add to design on the last page here. Go and just change your background first so you can see this a little bit better. I'm just going to place it like here, I guess. I think I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger, maybe like this. Then I'm just going to copy and paste that like headshot here. I'm just going to try to adjust it to the image. Oops. It doesn't have to be super accurate, by the way. Maybe, okay, that is kind of accurate. Okay, then select this and you're going to go and blend image. Not this one. Where is it? Okay, so image blender. Select linear, and we're just going to diagonally blend this. Maybe like this much. Then press save. It looks like this. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to select the image and you're going to adjust the transparency to around 50%. Grab the football stadium background and add it here. Place it kind of in the middle and then adjust it to 50% as well for the transparency. Go to layer and send to back. Select the background and color it white, or you can color it to whatever color you want later, maybe. Okay, hold on, there's like a... Okay, hold on. There you go. Again, 50%. I'm just adjusting it so the line doesn't show. Then layer, send to back. Okay, hopefully that's good enough. We'll fix that later. Then you're going to select the first pose, and I'm just going to place it here. Kind of where this is at. Then we're going to go to image blender again, go to radial and then linear. And then you're just going to, I'm trying to find like where the note is. It's in white, so I can't really tell. But you're just going to adjust it again. So it's like half there. I'm just going to press save like this. This is enough, but it should be like half of the body. Then I'm just going to select this image and I'm just going to place it on top of that, like here. Or you can flip it this way. It's up to you. And then lastly, we are going to go to elements and I'm just going to type in light. You can use any of these that you want. I'll just select this one. And we're just going to place it kind of here and we're going to just send it back one time. If you kind of want to adjust it more, you can do it. Maybe like put it just here. But this will be like very okay. And this is what it should look like. You can add text. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.